Hi, I'm Jon Brown, Director of Facilities Management for MKC. I would like to give you a brief recap on our capital projects and what's been going on since February 28, 2014. Some of these projects will be ones that you're already familiar with that started in 2014 or before, and some that have begun in 2015. In the spring of 2015, we broke ground on a new scale at our Burns location. The truck traffic and logistics of this property will be improved for the customer before fall harvest of 2015, and the office is also receiving a full remodel inside and out. We anticipate this project being completed before August 15th, 2015. In the spring of 2015, we constructed a new 80-foot steel bin in Onega. The new bin would be the fourth bin completed in the four-bin cluster at this facility. The new bin added 425,000 bushels to the storage capacity. We also added a 5,000 bushel overhead loadout, which is a standalone bin so trucks can unload and load at the same time in two different locations. The new 2.2 million bushel facility in Rice County, just 5 miles south of Lyons, opened in the spring of 2014. This project consists of 1.2 million bushels of upright McPherson concrete storage tanks and 1 million bushels of ground storage. The bunker can receive grain at 15,000 bushels per hour with a high-speed conveyor. The main facility can receive grain with both pits at approximately 30,000 bushels per hour and has dual scales and dual probes. This facility just completed its second wheat harvest in the spring of 2015. The new 3-steel bin facility in Butler County was completed in the spring of 2014. This project consists of 3 bins that total over 921,000 bushels. The new facility has a dumping capacity of 30,000 bushels per hour when using both pits. The new office and dual-scale layout on the property allows plenty of staging for trucks. This new facility was open for wheat harvest 2014 and just finished its second wheat harvest. In the fall of 2015, we will be improving our grain handling speed and our dumping capacity at Groveland. We will be upgrading an existing leg and enlarging an existing dump pit. These improvements will increase the speed for receiving grain. In the fall of 2015, we will be breaking ground on multiple projects in Marquette. There will be a new logistics pattern for truck traffic so we can better accommodate trucks after the Speed and Space project is complete. We will also be building a new office and warehouse. We will be transferring 2 existing scales to this site and staging them side by side to help with the traffic pattern. Dual scales has been a big success for MKC and has consistently improved waiting times at multiple locations. The Lindsborg facility is currently under construction on their second scale. If you recall, significant speed and space was added at Lindsborg just a few years back. The side-by-side dual-scale features should really improve efficiency and make this even a better customer experience than what it already is. Additional grain storage projects have been approved in the Marquette and Lindsborg area. Our team at MKC will be evaluating what will best be utilized with our investment. The new storage proposal will be more than 600,000 bushels of upright concrete storage and will be paired with some very fast grain handling equipment. The new grain bin storage project in Manhattan was completed in fall of 2014 and was able to be used for fall harvest. This grain bin is a standalone structure on the same property as the main elevator. The new steel bin is 425,000 bushels with a 15,000 bushel per hour leg. The Manhattan property is currently under construction again, adding a second truck scale to help the truck logistics for enhancing the customer experience. In the fall of 2014, we added a 490,000 bushel ground storage system in Alta Vista. This bunker was able to unload trucks at 15,000 bushels per hour with a high-speed conveyor. This project was completed and filled with corn in the fall of 2014. In the summer of 2015, we will begin another couple of projects at both the south and north elevators in Alta Vista. The north elevator will be receiving minor upgrades to make receiving grain much easier and safer on elevator operators. The south elevator improvements will consist of truck pit enlargements and a new overhead loadout. The truck pit is very much like the dual scale when it comes to enhancing the customer experience of speed and getting our customers back on the road. The newly constructed state-of-the-art high-speed rail loader in Canton was completed around the 1st of December 2014. The main elevator holds 1.2 million bushels of upright storage in a concrete slip-form structure. The Canton site also has 2 1.1 million bushel ground bunkers that were completed and filled with milo in the summer of 2014. The new office has dual scales with 2 lanes of inbound traffic. The facility features RFID card readers which are issued to customers to make their experience as quick and simple as possible. There are 3 dump pits that are completely covered so we can receive and ship grain under any kind of weather. Just recently we added an additional 2.2 million bushels of ground storage. We also purchased a new conveyor that will unload trucks at 25,000 bushels per hour. With current on-site storage of 3.4 million bushels, 1.2 of that is a working house and 2.2 of temporary storage. The expansion will increase storage capacity to more than 7.7 million bushels. 4.3 million bushels of storage will be added in the near future. Approximately 2.2 million bushels of ground storage and 2.1 million bushels of upright McPherson concrete storage tanks. The newest ground bunkers have been completed and one is already full of wheat from this harvest. The 6 new concrete tanks are currently under construction and we anticipate having them complete and ready for wheat harvest 2016. Major storage additions since February 2014 include Canton, Rice County, Benton, Onega, Marquette, Manhattan, and Alta Vista. Total storage completed or currently under construction is approximately 12,932,000 bushels in the last 16 months. MKC continues to look for and evaluate the next round of projects in addition to evaluating existing facility upgrades and potential greenfield sites for all grain, feed, agronomy, and energy needs. Support, we can continue to focus on the future.